Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing watermelon mint lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. It is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing watermelon lemonade with mint, these are the ingredients. A pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, mint, watermelon, and this is everything you need. Of course, ice. So refresh yourself with cooking with Gloria. Let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. And I am going to take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it until the water is yellow and the sugar has dissolved completely. After this is done, I'm going to leave it, pull it aside and leave it to come to room temperature. Here I have my organic lemons from my garden. Of course, with this little gadget, I could take all the juice out of the lemons. I bought this little gadget at Walmart, but let me tell you, it really works. It leaves nothing behind. Just remember to remove the seeds of your lemons. And here I want to start by first showing you the mint. I rinsed it already. I'm going to take a couple of the leaves so that I could start crushing them and obtaining the aroma, the flavor, the color of the mint. I'm only using 1 tablespoon of sugar. I am going to go ahead, mix it well, tap it really good, making sure that you start smelling the aroma of the mint. I added a little bit of the simple syrup we made at the beginning. It's nice and hot. And I am going to go ahead and just mix it really well, just like that. The aroma of the mint, oh my gosh, is so penetrating that my kitchen is already smelling amazing. And I'm barely starting making this lemonade. Of course, here I want to start with the mint, the sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add the simple syrup. I'm going to add the lemon juice, but first I'm going to add it to the cup. Just like that, so I don't leave nothing behind. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my blender cup, my NutriBullet. Don't forget to add your pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is really going to bring up all those amazing flavors. The flavor of the mint, oh my gosh, just amazing. But here I'm going to go ahead and blend it really good, making sure that they incorporate really good. Remember to make your lemonade with the fruit that is in season. Here I have the watermelon. I have 4 cups of watermelon that I'm going to be blending away until I'm completely done. I'm not going to add any water to it. I'm just going to blend the watermelon really good, making sure that I obtain all the juice of the watermelon. Like I said, don't forget your pinch of salt. This is really going to bring all the flavors up and reduce the acidity of the lemon. Well, now that you have everything in your blender, go ahead and blend away. Let me tell you, if you like already this video, you are really going to love this amazing and refreshing lemonade. Make sure that you sift. Make sure that you really get all the juice out. You put it through a sifter. Just like that. You want the lemonade to be clear, really clear, and you don't want none of the pulp in your lemonade. Once this is done, of course, I'm going to add this to my garden, to my dirt, and I'm going to continue adding the mixture of the mint, just like that. You could see the little specks of the mint. The aroma, amazing. If you like, if you love this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, be part of my family. Look at the color. You could really see the little specks of green of the mint. I am so ready to prepare my glass and refresh myself with this amazing lemonade. Is your mouth watering? Are you hot? Are you thirsty? Well, make this amazing lemonade. You are going to love it. I know that your mouth is watering. Let me tell you, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. You are really going to love this refreshing watermelon mint lemonade, especially in this hot weather. Remember, when you make your lemonades, you have control of how much sugar you add to your lemonades. Enjoy. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing watermelon mint lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor, amazing. The combination of the watermelon and mint, perfection made at home. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this lemonade, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing watermelon mint lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.